much, you all. My food literally just came. I ordered maybe 2 minutes. Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What is going on, people? So it's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are today at Crockett's breakfast camp. Now I actually just left, but I'll show you all my quick meal. Wow, that was a lot of food. I am so stuffed and just, man, it just kind of tired me out. But anyway, we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Oh man, it's like a Jeep. It's a Jeep convention going on. That's so cool. So look at all these different Jeeps. Crazy. Alright, you all, on with the review. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a spoiler out there. This place was amazing. There's a lot of reviews. There's a long line to get there, but it is worth it. The service is nice and fast. This place is really, really good. So I'll just give you all my quick takeaway from it. So of course, when you go in there, it's got like an old like cabin type feel to it. It's really nice theming for Gatlinburg. Just really nice environment. And then when you sit down, of course, you have your little meal or whatever. The cool thing about it is, as far as your menu, it's actually an old newspaper. I'm sure you all have seen this in different other videos, but it's an old newspaper that you kind of go through when you order your meal off of the newspaper. And it actually has like real old stories from back in the day. And then one thing that really surprised me, so I'm going to tell you all, I ordered my food. I said, okay, I went ahead and put my order in. I put my phone down. I was about to go and maybe scroll through Facebook or something. Before I could pick up my phone, I turn around, I see a guy setting up like plates and stuff. So I'm like, what's this guy doing? I don't know how, but they literally brought my food out less than a minute. So I don't know if it was pre-made or what was going on, but it was just the fastest I've ever received food at a restaurant. Almost anywhere, to be honest. And then as far as the food itself, I mean, look at this plate. Like, it was so good. It was so much food. The pancake was literally, it felt like a piece of cake because it was just so thick and so good. The butter was good. It was just some really, really good food. So I'm just put it out there as far as my rating. This is definitely a must do. You have to come to this place when you go to Pigeon Forge or Gatlinburg because it's just that good. Now, the part that sucks is this is my actual food afterwards. I could not finish it because it was so much food, and I really wanted to try the actual little, like the huge cinnamon bun they had, but I just didn't have any room for it. So just kind of keep that in mind. But like I said, this is just my quick review. I just want to give you all a quick heads up about this place. It was really, really good. Service was nice and fast. Service was okay as far as the friendliness, but they were busy, so I don't expect from them to be like crazy like at Disney. But really good food, really fast, a lot huge portions, not bad of a price either. So definitely check this place out. It's your boy MrBucketlist. I hope you enjoyed this review. See you soon. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.